Oh, there's three of them, Anne-Marie. Well, there's two big storms. There's extreme cold in between. So three big weather stories. The top story is this weather bomb that's going to hit Ontario, Quebec, and Atlantic Canada. That terminology comes from the fact that this storm is rapidly intensifying. A central pressure drop of 24 millibars in a 24-hour period means it gets really strong really fast. We often see these types of storms in Atlantic Canada. It's unusual to see one in the continental U.S., but it's happening, and it's going to have a major impact on Ontario, Quebec, and Atlantic Canada, really for Friday onward. The West Coast, meanwhile, tonight gets slammed with a winter storm, bringing another round of snow, prompting winter storm watches for Vancouver and Victoria. And then east of that, north and east of that, we see extreme cold taking over. There are spots in Alberta and Saskatchewan this morning have wind chills near -50. It is very cold, dangerously so, and it stays cold for the next couple of days. Now, the first bit of snow is moving its way into Ontario. Look at the warning map this morning. Isn't this unreal? You need to take this storm seriously. I understand we had a storm last week that didn't verify kind of as severe as we thought it would. This one is going to. We already have the snow moving its way into northern Ontario this morning. Really through the day today, it's pretty quiet in the south, but by mid-afternoon, that rain will begin, and overnight tonight at about midnight, this is the outlook. We've got a rain-snow mix across the lower half of Ontario. Ottawa, you're in heavy snow. Montreal, you're in snow as well, with snow across northern Ontario. I added the temperatures on because the cold air floods its way in, and there is a dramatic, almost violent drop in temperatures through the day on Friday. Watch what happens once I advance this. As we go into that morning commute and the cold air floods in, by 10:30 a.m., the temperature has dropped dramatically. That means a flash freeze is possible. When that happens, the winds jump up to 90 to 100 kilometers an hour. This then all pushes into Atlantic Canada through Friday night into Saturday as well. And behind that, lake effect snow as well.